Welcome to Watercolor by Scarlett Damen. That's me, of course. It is like 25 or 23 degrees out Celsius, and it's October. So I'm taking this moment to come outside and hang out with the birds and paint a leaf. So for today's tutorial, it's kind of a tutorial slash review, mostly a tutorial, or a speed video, I guess. I am just painting this beautiful leaf, which is wonderfully colorful. It's a maple, and it came from the tree that I'm sitting under, of course. And I'm using the A.Gallo paints that I want to review for you guys. Now these are itty bitty minis. They're 6 in a set, come in this gorgeous little case. And I just did the swatch. I just painted it and the paints are wet, so I don't want to muck up my swatch yet. So these are the colors that are here. They don't fall out. They have little magnets on the back. There we go, I lined them up all nice and straight. So we have an Indian yellow, vermilion red, an ultramarine blue, cerulean, up here is a transparent cerulean, and a permanent carmine and a lemon yellow. So these are the colors that come in this little one, and this is just your basic, your essentials. These are the watercolor essential colors. I think that's what they're called, but essentially it's 6, right? The red, yellow, and blue. Red, yellow, blue, and orange, but you've got 2 blues, kind of 2 oranges, and a red and a yellow, as you can see in this tiny swatch or here. Here it's a little harder, but you've got the 2 blues. Now the palette that I'm going to use to paint this little leaf will be this one. This is the Earth Tones, or Earth Tone Essentials, or something like that. I'm going to put the links in below, and I'll give you the proper names and descriptions of everything in the description box below the video. But these are the 6 colors that come with this one. I highly recommend, if you haven't already, check out the website for A.Gallo. It's agallocolors.com, and that's C-O-L-O-R-S, the American way that you would spell that, not British or Canadian. And I recommend you guys checking out their website and going and visiting their stuff. If you haven't already, or if you're interested, these are amazing. They're handmade, hand ground, they're done with honey. They're just beautiful, and they work so well. So I'm going to take the next few minutes and paint this little leaf for you guys. This is what I've got so far. I've already gone ahead and done some of it, and I filmed it already. And I needed to let it dry, and I thought I would go ahead and do the intro to this video. I'm going to let this dry completely and then come back and do more detail so that you can see that the underpainting looks similar. The tones are not exact, or no, the spotting, the way that the colors are laid down are not exact, but you can see that the tones are very, very similar. So if you wanted to do something like a leaf or a tree, if you wanted to be able to walk into a forest and paint everything around you, the Earth Essentials from A.Gallo is going to be a really good palette to have on you, and it's so tiny. I just love that it fits right into my little travel kit. So this itty bitty palette with this beautiful sticker on the front. So I'm going to go ahead and finish painting this little thing for you. I hope that you enjoy it, and if you do, please give me a thumbs up, let me know, put comments below. Tell me if you've used these paints, if you're interested, if you're thinking about purchasing them. It's always good to have a conversation going, and be sure to check out my school for all the extras and behind the scenes. There will be a post specifically for this tutorial. It might not come out right away. It might take me a day or 2 to do it, because I'm doing at the moment 1 video every single day. And I will also come back to the A.Gallos. I have a few more of her palettes. I will come back and I'll use these a few more times, probably a lot throughout the next few years, but right now I will definitely use these a few more times, so you'll probably see them in tutorials coming up. You might notice, and keep your eye out for that. There's a few classes on my school about the whole experience of ordering these paints, all that fun stuff, so there's lots of neat little posts about that too. So if you're interested, go check that out as well. human? You're painting a human? You want to tell all of our friends how old you are?
I'm 4.
You're 4. 4, and what's your name, buddy?
Desmond.
Desmond. What's on your head, Desmond?
Pirate hat?
A pirate hat. So I'm painting my little leaf over here, and I brought out Desi's paints, and he's painting a human. He said
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
a human with 5 fingers. There's some really good foreshortening going on there. I can see those big long arms coming right for you. I do hope that you're enjoying my 31 and 31. I know that I missed Thanksgiving. It turned out to be way too intense. My little goat got really sick and I wasn't able to post that particular day. But other than that, I've been working really hard to get these videos out on time for you guys, and I hope that you're enjoying them and that you're taking the time to come over and visit me at my school, which would be really, really exciting. Thanks for watching. Of course, I'm Scarlett, and I will see you tomorrow. Toodaloo.